Let's talk about some pronouns real quick. So we need to look at the difference between a subject pronoun and an object pronoun. So the first thing I'll say is that a subject pronoun is the one in the sentence that does the action. All right? Now, the object is the one that receives the action. They don't do the action, they have the action done to them. So let's look at our pronouns here, our personal pronouns and our object pronouns. So these are our subject pronouns, whereas these are the object pronouns. So we have I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. So these are the ones doing the action. The ones that get the action are the object pronouns. So I becomes me, you, it stays the same, doesn't change. He turns to him, she becomes her, it stays the same also. We becomes us, and they becomes them. So we could have a sentence in which we have something like, he talks to him. This means that he, maybe John talks to Gary. All right? So he talks to him, John talks to Gary. So John, in this case, John, he, is the one who talks. All right? This is the focus. The subject is the focus of the action. They are the subject of the sentence, whereas in this case, Gary would be the object of the sentence. So let's look at some examples. Some examples that I have here to give you an idea of the object. So the first thing that you can notice, if you look at all of these, right, the ones in blue here, the ones in blue are the objects of the sentence. They receive the action. All right, the ones with purple right here, all of these with some purple under them, they are the ones that do the action. Okay, so I can't find it. So I am the one doing the action. I am the one looking. So I can't find it. Maybe my phone or maybe my jacket, right? I can't find my phone anywhere. The phone doesn't do the action. The phone is the object that I'm looking for. I can pay you tomorrow. So I'm the one who gives money to you. Maybe, right? If I get rich, I'll give you guys some. So I give the money. You get the money, right? In that instance. Do they like her? They are the ones who decide if they like her, okay? The action, in this case, goes to her. The action here goes to you. She doesn't know us, right? Maybe we know her, but she doesn't know us. Us receives the action. Are you still friends with him, right? You, whoever you are, is the one who is making this decision. You either will be or won't be friends. Can we talk to them today, right? Maybe it's a group of people who wants to talk to another group of people. Can we, right? We're asking for permission to talk to someone else. We want to be the ones who talk, not them. They need to listen. So this is how we take a look at our subject pronouns and our object pronouns. So just remember, most of the time, not always, but most of the time, the object pronoun is going to be found at the end of a sentence. So anytime you see something at the end of a sentence, most likely it will be that object that you're looking for, or you're talking to, or you are being friends with. So it is the object at the end, the subject at the beginning. The subject does the actions, okay? Okay, so go ahead and look at Module 6 homework. You can find that on our Facebook page or come register at our website and we will go ahead and give you some homework. It's Module 6, Exercise H, and there are about 10 questions there that you can answer with these object pronouns. All right, so please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week with another lesson. Bye-bye. Why do I always start with okay? Sorry.